Unleash your potential. It's not about being smart. Exams are tough. Don't believe anyone who says otherwise. They test your knowledge, they test your resilience, but most of all, they test your commitment to preparation. You might think some people are just born smart, that they breeze through exams effortlessly. This isn't true. Success in exams comes from hard work and dedication. It's about putting in the effort. It's about pushing yourself further than you thought possible. You have the power within you to achieve great things. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. It's time to unleash your potential. Let's get started on this journey together. I'll provide you with the tools and strategies. You bring the dedication and belief in yourself. Aim high, start small, the power of clear goals. The first step to conquering your exams is setting clear goals. What do you want to achieve? Which subjects do you need to master? Once you know where you're headed, break down the journey into smaller steps. Don't try to tackle everything at once. It's overwhelming and counterproductive. Instead, focus on one topic, one chapter, one concept at a time. Celebrate your small victories. Each step forward is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Remember, even the longest journey begins with a single step. The rhythm of success. Building a consistent study routine. Consistency is key when it comes to effective studying. Create a study schedule that works for you. Stick to it as much as possible. This doesn't mean studying for hours on end without a break. Incorporate short, focused study sessions. Follow these with regular breaks to rest and recharge. Find what works best for you. Maybe it's 25 minutes of study followed by a 5-minute break, or perhaps you prefer longer stretches of focused work. Experiment and find your rhythm. Beyond motivation, the power of discipline and perseverance. Motivation can get you started, but it's discipline and perseverance that will see you through. There will be days when you don't feel like studying, days when you'd rather be doing anything else. This is where discipline comes in. It's about showing up and putting in the work, even when you don't feel like it. Remember why you started. Visualize your goals, and keep pushing forward. Perseverance is the key to unlocking your full potential. Engage your mind-active learning for deeper understanding. Passive reading is not enough. To truly understand and retain information, you need to engage with it actively. Use flashcards to test your knowledge. Explain concepts to yourself out loud. Try teaching the material to someone else. Active learning helps you process information more deeply. It makes studying more engaging and effective. Don't just memorize facts, strive for understanding. A healthy mind and a healthy body, stress management, and self-care. Exams are stressful, there's no denying that, but you can manage this stress effectively with self-care. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. Eat nutritious foods that fuel your brain and body. Incorporate exercise into your routine. It's a fantastic stress reliever. Take breaks to relax and recharge. Listen to music, spend time in nature, or do whatever helps you unwind. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself. The final countdown, exam strategies for success. As the exam day approaches, it's time to fine-tune your strategy. Familiarize yourself with the exam format. Practice past papers under timed conditions. This will help you manage your time effectively during the actual exam. Go through your notes and flashcards one last time. Focus on understanding the key concepts and their applications. Get a good night's sleep before the exam. Eat a healthy breakfast on the day of the test. Believe in yourself. You've got this. You've put in the work. You've dedicated yourself to the process. Now it's time to believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving great things. Walk into that exam room with confidence. Trust in your preparation. Stay calm and focused. Remember to breathe. You've got this. And no matter the outcome, know that you've grown through this experience. You've pushed your limits and expanded your horizons. And that is something to be proud of. Now go out there and show them what you're made of.